We got a guy all the way from Wisconsin, one of our fans. He came down and he said, I want to get a resonator delete done by you guys. We said, come on down, and we hooked him up. So here we go. He's got a Focus ST 2014, really nice. What we got done on it for him, so he's got a downpipe on it he done himself. He's done a lot of work to this thing. Pushes over 300 horse. And then there was a resonator on it here. We took it off and put a pipe in its place. And then 2 1/4 continues out the back, and he had a muffler delete done somewhere else. As you guys can see right there through a Y pipe. So we left that alone. It still looks good, looks clean right there. There's the resonator that was on it that we cut off. So it should scream. Let's see how it sounds once we bring it down. Stay tuned. All right, guys, exhaust addicts first. We're gonna have the customer rev it. He says, I'm gonna rev it to the moon. So let's see. Here we go. Wow, that's gonna be loud. Again. Bro, it hit 117 on the sound decibels. Damn. Go ahead, one last time. Back it out straight. Hell yeah. You're alive. He came all the way from Wisconsin. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's still popping. That's so awesome. It's still here.